this is Kalies from Kreatives Leben. Today I'm doing something special. I'm participating in a video hop and the title is Found Art 18. And the principle is basically that each artist, each YouTuber is creating something, an art piece that she, mostly I think we're all women, is putting out for it to be found, and the finder can basically then report it and post on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever that she has found or that he has found this piece of art. I love the idea. I think it's wonderful to be part of a community, and I think it's great also to share with others and share our art and heart. It's partly also sharing our heart, and what a wonderful idea. So basically what you will have to do is you will have to go to the different links that I will post below this video as usual, and you also can search for the hashtag, which is hashtag FoundArt18 on Facebook and on Twitter and Instagram, and otherwise, our own hashtag is FoundHopArt18. So that's it. And basically, I create a little tag because I thought that this would be a colorful giveaway, so to say, and that this could be joyful for somebody to find. And because I thought that what I usually do, I love doing little art journal pages, would be harder to put somewhere and to have it found. So I thought that would be a great thing to do. I was thinking of doing a zine, because I love zines, but I thought no, that would be something nice to do. So here you see me creating my background. Basically, what I'm going to do it's going to create a hashtag with a very, very colorful background, and then I will post something on top of it, a German text, obviously, and I'm putting down some glue because obviously, or I want to create a resist. I don't want everything to be full of paint. I want to be able to remove the glue and then to have whatever I had done previously on top of it being removed and also see what is underneath. So this is what I'm doing. I'm playing around, and basically what you will see me struggle with is going from the darks to the lights and still having all this color, all this yumminess coming out. So having a very colorful tag. I love colors, and I love making marks, little marks. I'm finding out that this is really something that is special. I love putting in my backgrounds. The tinier, the more random they are, the better, I think. So here I'm creating circles, crosses, dots, blah, blah, blah. So it's really trying out. And because it's still very dark, with a stamp, I'm adding some white paint. And I won't bore you with showing every little piece of what I've been doing because obviously, this is going to take a long time because there are many, many, many layers. So it's more about the principle. And because I have some pink in my background, I've decided to take some pink for a pink Posca pen to create pink marks as well. So I had already created some white marks, and here you see me using a stamp with white stamp paint, and it's really a beautiful paint. I really like it, and I think it makes it mutes down everything, which is good. Then I decided that there weren't enough colors, so here I am putting more, and it's really finding the right balance. Will be going back and forth between the green and the pink and the yellow, and here you see me using my favorite color, which is quinacridone as a gold, which is from Golden, and I'm not too much of a brown person or using brown colors, but I think that's a very special color. It's very transparent and it's very radiant. and I usually find that it goes with any color and it adds beauty to anything. So when I'm not sure what to use, I usually use white, black, and quinacridone Azo Gold. So here I'm still struggling, and I think I'm putting down now some opal dust. So I want everything to be bling bling. I love my bling bling. It's going to be very colorful, very sparkly. And here I'm still trying to use blue and green, and I'm not really happy about the color combination yet. So this will be really a back and forth here, trying to find the right balance between these colors. So here again, I felt that I needed more white, so that's why I'm going to use a stencil to add some letters. This is actually a stencil that I received through a Happy Mail. It's a cutout, I think, from a Silhouette or whatever machine, and this is really, really great. And this is another stencil I have, and especially for my little tags, I love using these because it's it's the other ones I have are usually have larger holes, so obviously it's not really fitting. So I was stuck a little bit, so that's why I decided to move to the other side, and the principle is the same. Add some ink, as usual, some pink ink because I love pink ink and yellow, and you see me using my straw to distribute the paint, and I'm going in with some color. So here I'm using the opal dust immediately and drying everything, and then once everything is dry, I go in with the blue because I don't want the blue to mix too much with the other colors. I'd rather have it mixed with some Prussian blue. That's, I think, the color I've used, Prussian blue and black. I wanted to have some good mixture of colors, and here you see me using some of the colors I have on my mat because I don't want to lose anything, any paint. Paint is expensive, so let's use it up as much as possible. And I'm using now a bubble wrap to add some white because everything is too dark for me, too much black paint, and this is what I'm trying to do. And I'm using my bubble wrap, I'm using my stamp, and looking at how I can find a good balance between the different colors. And I'm going back to the yellow because I felt that, the balance wasn't reached. And now I'm putting back some more color, and you will see. And I'm not going to bore you with every little step, but basically this is what I will be repeating. I will be repeating, adding some layers and not being happy with it, and then muting everything down with some white until I'm happy with what I have done. And what I need to do now is, this is like a later stage where I'm almost done, where I'm quite happy now. I'm adding some little marks, and now I need to prepare my tag. And basically I'm saying my tags because there are two tags. The other one, as you can see, is something that I just created. I didn't spend too much time on it. For me, it was more about creating a background for the text. The text is basically the English and the German text for saying, if you find this, take it or leave it for the next person. This is a little gift, and we would be happy if you could share a picture of what you have found and use the hashtag so that we know that you found it. So that's basically what this is about. And here I'm adding now a text on top of my background. It's a text from Confucius, and it's basically saying something about the little things are what makes life more interesting and happy. And I felt that this is exactly what I wanted. I don't expect somebody to be very, very excited about what they find, but it's like a little gift, a random act of kindness that people will find on their way to work or while they do their shopping or whatever. And I think this is a great thing. So I've put everything together with a piece of sari that I have, and now I'm giving you some close-ups. I hope you like what I have shown you. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And please go and check the other links that are below and leave some love there as well. Bye bye. Bye bye.